In today's fast-paced world, social media has become an integral part of our daily lives. While it offers many benefits, such as staying connected with friends and family and accessing information, it can also contribute to heightened anxiety and stress. This video will explore how a social media detox can help reduce anxiety and provide you with practical techniques to manage your online presence more mindfully. The impact of social media on anxiety. Comparison trap. Constant exposure to curated and idealized images of others' lives can lead to feelings of inadequacy and low self-esteem. Studies have shown that excessive social media use is linked to increased levels of anxiety, depression, and loneliness. Information overload. The constant stream of information and notifications can overwhelm the brain, leading to mental fatigue and anxiety. Fear of missing out can cause stress and anxiety as you try to keep up with everything happening online. Disrupted sleep. Using social media late at night can interfere with sleep patterns, leading to sleep deprivation, which exacerbates anxiety. Benefits of a social media detox. Improved mental health. Reducing social media use can lower anxiety levels and improve overall mental well-being. More time for self-reflection and real-life connections. Better sleep. Less screen time before bed can lead to better sleep quality and duration, contributing to reduced anxiety. Enhanced productivity. Fewer distractions can increase focus and productivity in daily tasks, reducing stress and anxiety. Techniques for a successful social media detox. Set clear goals. Define your reasons for wanting to cut back on social media, whether it's to reduce anxiety, improve productivity, or enhance real-life relationships. Having clear goals will keep you motivated. Create boundaries. Establish specific times of the day when you will check social media. For example, limit your use to 30 minutes in the morning and 30 minutes in the evening. Avoid using social media during meals or before bedtime. Use technology to your advantage. Utilize apps and built-in phone features to monitor and limit your screen time. Apps like Moment, Off Time, or the Screen Time feature on iPhones can help track your usage and set daily limits. Turn off non-essential notifications to reduce distractions. Find alternatives. Replace social media time with other fulfilling activities, such as reading, exercising, or spending time with loved ones. Engage in hobbies or activities that you enjoy and that contribute to your well-being. Gradual reduction. If a complete detox feels overwhelming, start by gradually reducing your social media use. For example, try cutting back by 10-15 minutes each day until you reach your desired usage level. Mindful use. When you do use social media, practice mindfulness by being aware of how it makes you feel. If you notice feelings of anxiety or negativity, take a break. Curate your feed by unfollowing or muting accounts that trigger negative emotions and following accounts that inspire and uplift you. Digital declutter. Regularly clean up your social media accounts by unfollowing accounts that no longer serve you and organizing your feed to prioritize content that aligns with your goals and values. Long-term strategies. Regular digital detoxes. Incorporate regular digital detoxes into your routine, such as a weekend detox once a month or a week-long detox every few months. Mindful consumption. Practice mindful consumption by being intentional about the content you engage with and the time you spend online. Focus on quality over quantity. Balance and integration. Aim for a balanced approach to social media use, integrating it into your life in a way that supports your mental health and well-being. A social media detox can be a powerful tool for reducing anxiety and improving overall mental health. By setting clear goals, creating boundaries, and practicing mindful consumption, you can take control of your social media use and experience the benefits of a more balanced, mindful approach to technology. Join us on this journey to reclaim your time, mental peace, and well-being. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more videos.